Public service announcement. This is how to make a GTA-style game. Not how to make a exact clone of GTA with every single feature it has. I focus only on the core mechanics, which are shooting and driving. So don't be a hater up in my comment section talking about, where's the pedestrians, where's the cop AI, where's the online, where's the missions, where's the strippers. Don't bring that shit up in here, boy. Because I just told you what to expect. Woohoo, woohoo, enjoy the video.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Zuko Mavi. I'm coming back just with a quick tutorial on how you can use this GTA project. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and drag the file, drag it on to your project. I'm just using an empty scene, and then the Unity version is this one right here, so you can see. So once you drag it in, you just go ahead and import it like you import any other asset. So you wait for that to be imported. The next thing you want to do is go to Window Package Manager. You're gonna have to add animation rigging. That's how I get the IK system working. It's a default package for Unity. If you don't see it, you gotta go to Advanced, Show Preview Package. It is a preview package, so I mean, you might have problems with it, but so far I haven't had any problems with it. So you go ahead and import that next, and then once that's done imported, move to the next step. So I heard some people get this and some people don't. Once you push play, you can see this error tag on is not defined, and you can't aim or do anything. So that's just pretty sure I already know what to do with that. You go to, so just simply click on any object, go to tag, add tag, then just add tag on. Now your project is set up. You should be able to run around, shoot, and do everything you regularly could do. So the next step, I'm pretty sure you guys, unless you want to be Motorcycle Man, you're gonna put your own character in there. So download your character. I'll rig mine with Maximal. Make sure you got the standard Unity rig, or it probably won't work. So go ahead, download your character, put them in there, and right here what I'm doing is I'm making sure my character's height is matched up with the other character's height. Arms don't have to be, but at least get the height as close as possible. Then the next thing you want to do is copy the transform of the original player and paste it to your new player, so they both line up in the same spot. Go ahead and unpack the prefab if it's packed up. Now go into your player prefab, and you're gonna have to get all the guns and stuff out of his arms because it's gonna be going into your character. So go down to the right arm, right hand, and you should have it. M24, pump shotgun, fist, and left hand target. Just drag it to the top of player. Keep it inside your player though. And you can keep your book bag too if you want. So after you do that, you get rid of the hips, and then you get rid of the mesh. So after you do that, next thing you bring the hips and all the meshes in your character, bring it right down into the player, then change the avatar to whatever your avatar is. Make sure it's a humanoid rig, not generic. That's the only way it will work. So you go ahead and switch the avatars out, bring your character in, and your character should be at least able to run around at this point. So once you do that, you want to put the guns in your character's hand. So do the exact same thing you did before. Go down to the right hand, and then just drag the left hand target, the fist, pump shotgun, and left hand target. If you don't do the left hand target, which I forgot, you will see in a second, you'll get I'll also make sure your right hand, so whatever your right hand is, you gotta make sure it's tagged as weapon hand. Now you see you got your character with the guns in his hand, or her. Shoot, run around, and do everything with your new character. So go down to this LHIK, left hand IK, and then you simply just replace the parameters. So you're gonna go left shoulder, left forearm in the mid, then left hand for the tip. Now the IK should be working good. And the reason you see it's looking like that is because I forgot to put the left hand target in my right hand, so it's got some buggy behavior. So make sure you do that like I said before. So once you get the left hand in there, you should be able to align it. Now it might still be a little bit off, so make sure you always align the right hand first to make sure the gun's actually sitting in your trigger and in your hand how you want it. And then next you go into your gun and we'll have an L and R. The R is not used right now, I might use it later, but the left hand is just going to be able, so you can put the left hand under your gun. You got to align that L to however your character's arm works and fits. It's just going to be a little tweaking for every character. So go ahead and align your left hand, and then you can do the exact same thing for the M249.
2,000 years later.
So once you do that, you see your guns are working perfectly. You can aim, you can shoot, and then your left hand's lining up right. So lastly, I'm going to be showing you, if you say you want to add your own guns, which I'm pretty sure you are, it's very straightforward. So go ahead and make a copy of whichever gun you need. I only have ARs or shotguns right now, and this is a open source project. So before it was outdated, and it had RPGs, grenades, and I think that's it. But I couldn't find out how to get those working, so I just took them out. If you look in the scenes folder, you can bring up the first original scene and then try to mess around with that. But as far as replacing your weapon, you just make a copy of your pump shotgun or M24, whether you're trying to make an assault rifle or a shotgun. Then you bring the model in and replace it like so. So I find it best to have the M24 in place and then active, and then just line the gun up with the M24 and make sure the sizes are correct. Then do the exact same thing you did the first time, which is aligning the right hand first, where it's sitting, his hand is on the trigger. Then align the left hand next, which would put the hand on the gun, the left hand. So once you have it aligned, you're going to click on your weapon, go to weapon script and weapon equip, and make sure you change it to 3. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth being 0. So whichever the gun is going to have to be added into the list. So now you click on your player, open up the weapon script, go to weapon setup, go ahead and add the 4th weapon, so change the size to 4, and replace the parameters. They're all pretty straightforward, saying what they do. Fire rate, bullets, sound, crosshair. Everything's pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to really explain too much of that. It says, everything says what it is. But for this W animation and WIK, the shotgun and the AR use different ones. So you see how it says shotgun pre-fire, shotgun fire. For the AR, you just want to use pre-fire and fire. Whenever it's a shotgun, use shotgun pre-fire, shotgun fire. Raycast per shot, that's how many bullets you're shooting per shoot. Bullets is how many bullets you have currently. Max bullets is the max your magazine can carry. magazines, how many magazines you have, which for some reason doesn't work right now, so I'll just put $9.99 because it doesn't count the exact amount. It's acting weird, so just give you unlimited ammo for now. So go ahead and change all the parameters. You can change the sounds up, particles too if you want, and then that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Once you get the gun in there, you got your new character, and everything should be aligned on all the characters and all the guns. So gonna push escape. That's how you bring the menu up, spawn some test zombies, or run around, shoot, have some fun. And now you can get to working on your game. So whatever you want to do, maybe you want to make it an open world game, make a zombie type game, linear, start doing that and adding everything next, and that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, let me know. If you got any more questions, make sure you join the Discord server. Either I'll be able to get back to you, or maybe somebody in the Discord server that had the same problems can help you out. So go ahead and join that. Then I also got the server for you to post and discuss on your own project. So peace and blessings, and see you in the next video.